Adam here with a simple and fast review of the CAROCC leather mid-back adjustable swivel office chair. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So once you get out of the box, you'll have a kind of like a parts box, and then just two other pieces primarily that we'll unwrap, and then of course instructions. I don't love this stuff because it always breaks and becomes one of those sticky nightmares that you just gotta vacuum everything. So just be aware of that, but other than that, who cares, right? So we'll go ahead and assemble. It does say on the box here that it should take about 20 minutes to assemble. We'll go ahead and film, and we will speed it up just so that you don't have to watch the assembly, but to give you an accurate time on what it took. Right, so assembly was super quick, as you'll note from the video, and it looks great. So I'm just going to show you how it works real quick. So obviously a 360-degree swivel. You'll have this, which will raise and lower the seat on the bottom. Beautiful leather, nice little chrome arms. So good look and feel. So definitely a great buy, very quick assembly. Hopefully this review has helped you. Thanks for watching.